Welcome to PicLearn! চলো একসাথে আনন্দের সাথে ইংরেজি শিখি। Let's start today's lesson.
Garden, bagan. Beautiful flowers bloom in the garden. Plant, চারাগাছ বা উদ্ভিদ. Water the little plant every day. Tree, গাছ. Tall trees give us cool shade. Flower, ফুল. The red flower smells so sweet. Leaf, pata. A green leaf dances in the wind. Branch, dal ba shakha. A little bird sits on the tree branch. Stem, kando. The green stem holds the flower high. Root, mul ba shikor.
These thick, gnarled roots penetrate the
Roots
moist,
drink
loamy
water
earth,
from
demonstrating
deep
how the tree
inside the
secures
soil.
nutrients and stability and deep underground.
Seed, beej. Plant a small seed to grow a tree. Fruit, fall. Sweet fruits are healthy for our body. Bark, গাছের ছাল. The rough bark protects the big tree trunk. Thorn, kata. Ouch! Watch out for the sharp rose thorn. Bud, kudi. A tiny flower bud opens slowly in the morning. Grass, ghash. Walk softly on the fresh green grass. Bush, jhopjhad. A cute rabbit is hiding behind the bush. Rose, gulab. The red rose is the queen of flowers. Lily, lily bashapla. White lilies look so calm and pretty. Sunflower, shurjamukhi. The big yellow sunflower faces the bright sun. Lotus, poddo. Beautiful lotus flowers float in the pond. Marigold, gada. Bright orange marigolds decorate our garden. Jasmine, Jui. White jasmine flowers have a lovely smell. Hibiscus, joba. A large red hibiscus catches everyone's eyes. Daisy! Daisy! White daisies look like happy little stars. Tulip! Tulip! Colorful tulips look like beautiful cups. Cactus! Cactus! The green cactus lives in dry sand. Bamboo. Bush. Tall green bamboo shoots touch the sky. Fern. Fern gotch. Fern leaves look like beautiful green feathers. Moss. Shaula. Soft green moss feels like a velvety carpet. Vine. Lota. The thin vine climbs up the garden wall. Trunk. গাছের গুড়ি. The thick brown trunk holds the whole tree. Fertilizer. Shar. Fertilizer helps the plants grow big and strong. Watering can. Jhari. Use the watering can to sprinkle water. Spade. Kodal. Dig the garden soil with a sharp spade. Pot. Tub. A red clay pot is perfect for small flowers. Fence. Bera. A white wooden fence protects our pretty garden. Petal. Papdi. Soft flower petals fall gently to the ground. Wow! We learned so many new words today. If you want to learn more fun things with us, please subscribe to PicLearn BD. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.